welcome back to my channel. My name is scrapqueen and today I'm going to show you my new project. It's going to be a folio, and this time you asked and I made, my mom made a folio of my own paper collection Love Addiction, and you asked me to do a tutorial. So I did, so let me show you. Alright, so first the outside. How big is it? It's a big 6" by an 8 1/4. That's the size, and the thickness of the spine is 2 1/4. So yeah, it's not that small, but a nice size. Alright, so the front I decorate with some chipboard frame, some words that comes with the papers. I added some flowers and some ribbons. Yeah, I decorated pretty much. The sides I created with some plain papers, but also I cut out with the paper some strips to make it a little more nicer, and then just the back with these lovely pink flowers, and then we have a ribbon closure, and here I let come back the dots with also that little strip aside. And then you open this up, and then we have these flowers, and I know the flowers makes it a little wobbly, bumpy, but I hope I still can manage to show you all. And then this flips open like this, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pages. But let me first go to page 1. Alright guys, page 1. This is a nice tag, but it's also the stopper to create to let this stay put. Oh my gosh. This is a nice little tuck spot, and here is another little tuck spot where you still can add a little picture on, and then there is a big pocket where you can add your pictures. You can use this card, but you also can pull this out to save some space, thickness, and then you just can add your own pictures inside. And then this closes it all up. Then this opens up, and now I have to move this aside. Then we have a nice big pocket right here. Also you can add your own pictures inside. Then this opens again, so it's gonna be pretty long if you put this all on one table. Then here I created a nice photo collage, but the butterfly you also still can use, so I did not glue anything down. Then here we have a nice pocket, a corner pocket, which you also can add more inside, nice letters or pictures and everything. Then we have this one here, 2 little pockets, 2 nice tags already inside. Here I created a little belly band. And then this also has a big pocket, so you can add also your pictures inside here or your photos. And then this all flaps back. Then we go to page 2. This folds down, this moves down, and then you have a nice photo spot right here, a tuck spot right here, photo spot, and another tuck spot right here, and a big pocket where you can add your pictures inside or whatever you want to put inside. Then this flips to the right. Here you can add a picture right here, but you also have a nice tuck spot. You can use this for writing something down or just add your pictures on. Make it nice. I did not put any papers on it because it's already pretty thick. Then here you have 2 photo mats. I did use a photo corner punch, but for me it's more decorative than useful, but you can of course add your pictures inside. Then we have a nice corner pocket, which I added already a nice big tag inside. Then this is a nice little pocket with a nice bookmark inside. And then this is also just a nice big pocket where you can add this big tag in, or your photos of course. Then here I created 2 little pockets where I put these little notes inside. Well, it's just plain papers, but you can write your little notes in here, or you can put anything inside what you want. Then here we have again a nice big corner pocket, but you still can add your pictures inside, but I already added something inside. Then this flips to the left, and then here I also created a big pocket with something inside. Yeah, let's call it a plain tag. And then here is a big pocket where you can add your photos inside. So I did not put anything inside because it's already pretty thick, but you get the picture that you can put something inside there. Alright, then we go to this page. Here we have the waterfall page. And let's reveal that with this ribbon, this thread. And then you just open this up, of course, page by page. The back I did not put any design paper on because it's needed to add your pictures on there. And then we have just 2 lovely tags below this pocket. And then you can close it down with this thread. And I added some, I call these little guys, the round ones, to just close this down. Have a little bit more decoration. And then the last page, this is a pocket page where I added 2 booklets inside. The back is also covered. And then you just put this back inside, and this one calls Never Give Up, and then this one Look into the Future. I wish we could. And then front and back is decorated the same. This I kept plain for a nice big photo or 2 small ones. And then this opens up. And then here there is again a nice pocket with I also added some tags inside. Be yourself, it said. And then here I just used some scraps. I just love the idea of using that. It seems to be like, looks like an envelope, but it isn't. Then this opens up, and here we also have 2 photo mats with also that decorative punch. For those who want to know, it's from Avonlea, this punch, and I have no clue how it's been calling. But I think if you're going to look it up for photo corner or something, that you will find it. And then here I made 2 tuck spots, a up tuck spot and a below tuck spot. So you still can add your pictures inside. And then this reveals, this goes to the left. And here I created a nice big pocket, which you can take this out and add your own pictures inside. And here we have just a nice big place for photos or anything that you want to do with it. So, and that is it. So I hope you like it. Yeah, give me a big thumbs up if you like this folio. So this is a little remake of my mom's, and yeah, so check it out. And I hope to see you with the tutorials. I hope you like this. I did use the UHK gallery papers. And this one calls Autumn in Avonlea. I love these papers. Super, super cute. So check it out. The tutorial. I hope you're going to join me. I hope you like this project. Please give me a big thumbs up if you like this. And hope to see you next time. Bye bye.